Before I introduce our Honorable Mayor Poole, and I'm glad we're joined here by our esteemed guests. We have Councilwoman Brown. We got Interim Police Chief Kevin Williams. We got our Fire Chief Amos Johnson, and we have our Finance Director Tim Engel along with his son. And then behind the camera, you can't see them, we have our Director from Parks and Recreation who is responsible for putting this together, along with Monica Yahad, who works for our council. So my name is Anson Turley. I'm the village manager of Woodlawn. And in 2007, 2008, a group got together and they presented a master plan for Springfield Pike to turn it into a district, a downtown, a walkable downtown. And 10 years from now, when that happens, when that dream is a reality, I want this to be the time, the milestone, a marker as to when that took place. So as we go forward, I would like to invite Mr. Mayor, the Honorable Brian Poole, here to say a few words.
Thanks. I guess I could come on like I'm cold, right? Yes. So good evening, all. Good evening. And this is what we call the historical day here in the village of Woodlawn. I just kind of looked over at Miss Brown and I said, how long has this place been here? And I was trying to do a little math. And I think with my age, and I'll do some subtraction from that, I would say that this place has probably been close to 50 years, real close to 50 years, I would say. And so, again, this is a historical thing here in the village. Used to be a flower shop, which was a thriving flower shop here in the village of Woodlawn when it was open. And so we're just fortunate enough to have the opportunity to purchase this property where we'll begin some development here in the near future, in the very close near future. And so with that being said, I don't want to take a lot of time. Again, I do have on the side of me, the right side of me, Councilwoman Rosemary Brown. Just think that she is here with us today. And some of our other council members, because of our schedule, were not able to make it tonight. However, we're going to, her and I are going to make sure that we hit enough for them as well at this building. So again, I thank our manager, our finance director especially, for making it happen, because without that finance piece, this right here, what we're doing today, would have never happened. So special thanks to you, Mr. Engel, for all the great things that you have done for this village moving forward. And I'm just excited for the next chapter that we're going to have here on this corner. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it back over to our manager. Yes.
All right, so right now I'd like to have the mayor to grab a hard hat and a sledgehammer. Also, Ms. Brown, Councilwoman Brown, to do the same. I will do that, and then for the first round, our finance director, Mr. Engel, and then we'll do a second round after that. So. The next group who wants to do it, grab a sledgehammer and a hard hat. All right.
That's a good solid one there, buddy.
Come on, firefighter. Make the firefighter proud.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
That's a fortified one.
Tyra? Somebody come home with this.
Get it, man.
Thanks for letting us do that.
Yeah! That sounds like a firefighter here.
I want to get y'all again. Mayor, can you please?
All right. Oh, that wall ain't gonna give. Well, it depends on how hard you swing. All right. Oh, you want me to do it again?